Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Malik Ramesh. So Marvel has finally started to advertise Loki. Almost 1 month is left in the release of show and Marvel has finally started to promote that. New episodes will be coming on Wednesdays from 9 June. So as we know that this show will be about Loki escaping with Tesseract and messing up with the timelines and creating a bunch of other timelines and probably intersecting those timelines as well. Because of messing up with the timelines, Loki will be captured by TVA, the Time Variance Authority. They actually keep check of everyone saying everything in the universe, and their main job is to maintain the timelines and prevent creation of alternate realities. We can see in the trailer that they have captured another guy who is dressed similar to Loki in TVA's jumpsuit and strange necklace. Probably he is also the guy who messed up timeline and was captured by TVA. One thing that we need to keep in mind is that Loki that we are going to see in this show is the one who escaped with Tesseract in Avengers 2012 timeline. He is probably not aware of Ragnarok, Infinity War or Thor the Dark World. He is the Loki who was going to kill Avengers but got beaten up by Hulk. The original Loki from our main timeline is still dead in Avengers Infinity War. We all loved Loki when he was a villain, and we also loved him when he fought side by side with Thor in Thor Ragnarok, and in the end sacrificed himself by trying to kill Thanos. But this version of Loki is Avengers' opponent and more of a villain version. In the new trailer, we saw a zoomed out footage of TVA which is located in the null time zone. As Mobius and Mobius said that time passes differently in TVA, also we can notice that TVA's surroundings are more like an empty void with nothing, as it is located in a complete different place than entire universe. Notice that we have two timekeepers holding the main headquarters of TVA. These timekeepers are actually founders of TVA. We can see that there is glowing red line that is quite similar to the line representing timeline in the monitor that we saw in the last trailer. Overall, all we saw was the planets collapsing and the universe literally coming to an end, as Mobius and Mobius said that wherever you go it's just end, and Loki replies with an absolute I know. This show can be related to Kang the Conqueror storyline in MCU, as he can be one of the timekeepers. We saw a piece of land or some planet floating on a mysterious blue gigantic surface, and it seems like it is the last place left, as Loki literally destroyed the whole universe. We saw Loki as he said that I am Loki and I am burdened with glorious purpose. We didn't got a proper footage of that dialogue, therefore we are still not sure which variant of Loki is actually saying that. We saw a lot of great stuff in the trailer, such as crushed and scrambled New York with destroyed Avengers Tower, a female version of Loki and a DB Cooper version of Loki. Even though we haven't seen it officially in the trailers, a lot of people assume this character as Black Widow instead of Lady Loki. But as we saw some set photos of Sofia Di Martino dressed up in Loki's costume with a similar haircut of that lady in the trailer. Probably she is the lady version of Loki from one of the timelines, and Loki confronted her and they are having a nice conversation with an alternate version of themselves. Our main Loki might be trying to calm her down and convince her to not destroy that planet. We also saw Ravonna Roslina character in the trailer. She is one of the judge in TVA. In the comics, she had some relationship with Kang the Conqueror, and as we discussed earlier, there's a possibility that one of the timekeepers could be Kang the Conqueror. Marvel Studios animation of final Loki's title is also made up of different characters. Every character is of different form and they don't seem to match each other. They probably represents different variants of the Loki that we will be seeing in the show. So that is all for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, be happy.